Gentlemen of the press, I have the honor and privilege this evening to present our our campaign, the list of our campaign council and the committees. You recall that on the 12th of October this year, we presented the campaign council list. Obviously, there were some errors, there were some misplacements, and then we had general complaints about the list. As a party that is democratic, that is a listening party, we decided to take all these grievances into account. And we then promised that we're going to review the list, we're going to update it to accommodate other interests. We have been working on the list, and I am highly elated today to announce to you that we have reviewed the list, and that is the list we are presenting today. We are presenting the Presidential Council list as well as the committees. The committees are head of those committees. It is also pertinent to put on record that it is not possible to accommodate every interest. But I want to appeal to all our supporters. I want to appeal to all those who have been working for us, whom we are unable to accommodate on this list, that they should continue to do their work. They should continue to support the party. What is most important is for us to focus on our election and be able to deliver all candidates of the party, including the presidential candidates. We want to appreciate all our supporters who have worked tirelessly to continue to support us. It's also pertinent to announce here that the campaign council and the committees will be inaugurated on Friday, and then our campaigns will kick off in Lafia, Nasarawa State, on Saturday. So the list is ready. I have the honor and privilege to present it to the press. The list of the committees are also available. They are available at our website, both the party's website and the campaign website. So members are free to look at this list, and then those who can be in the inauguration of Friday can do so, and we'll share the link later of those who may not be able to attend. I want to thank Nigerians for their support, for the overwhelming support they have been giving to the country. I want to appreciate all our candidates who have been working tirelessly to establish the party and work hard to win their elections. This call, like we've always maintained, is a patriotic duty that history has entrusted on us at this time. We all have acknowledged that the numerous challenges that we have in the country is as a result of successive failed leadership over the years. And we believe that if we're able to get to solve the leadership problem in the country, then of course every other thing will follow. And this is what has informed our struggle in Labour Party to ensure that we're able to enthrone a patriotic leadership, a visionary leadership, a leadership that will be proactive, a leadership that will have the people at heart, a leadership that will reposition the country for greatness and be able to harness all our human and natural resources and reposition the country for greatness. And this is what we are determined to do. And this campaign council, no doubt, will be leading the presidential campaigns. And we are very confident that Nigerians will support us because we have the best of programs. We parade men of integrity, we parade men of dignity, and we believe that we have what it takes to be able to win the election and then provide a leadership for the country that will be able to change the narratives of the country. Thank you so much, and God bless you. There are 53 names on that list.
1,453.
Yes, 1,453.
1,453.
Yes. Yes, yes. Obviously, we needed to accommodate other interests, and the party is a party for the people. It's a grassroots party. The people are driving the process of this campaign, and therefore, and this is the first time that we are having a political party that is people-based. You will agree with me that the other two parties are parties that are hijacked by money bags, and money bags control all other political parties. But for us in Labour Party, it is owned by the people and is driven by the people. It's even funded by the people. And therefore, we believe that we have sufficiently accommodated all interests. And that is why you have that list. We'll make it available to you so that you can look at it. Okay. Well, we have the chairman of the campaign council is AIG Mohammed Zarewa. Julius Saburi is heading I'm the party chairman, of course. Peter Obi is the governor, is the presidential candidate. Vice presidential candidate is there. And then we have Comrade Clement Ojuku as the secretary of the campaign council. And all others are members. The DG Doyin Okunpe, and then we equally have other management with the Deputy Director General of the campaign. Is Mr. Oseluka Obaze. Deputy Director General North Alhaji Yusuf Bello Maitama. Deputy Director General South Mr. Danzel Kentebe. Deputy Campaign Manager 1 Mr. Isaac Balami. Deputy Campaign Manager 2 Mrs. Eyitemi Tere. We also have zonal coordinators. We have coordinator Southeast Chief Damian Okeke Ogene. Coordinator South Prince Favor Ruben. Coordinator Southwest Mr. Balogun Akin Oshutekun. Coordinator North Central Mr. Joseph Idirang. We have coordinator Northeast Mr. Al Hassan Mohammed Fawu. And we have coordinator Northwest Alhaji Odie A. Mohammed. Coming, we'll be engaging you